Okay, everybody, let's hit another seventh chord. How about we do B7? Okay, so B7 usually sits around here. That's your typical B7. So your middle finger goes on the second fret of the A string. Your pointer finger goes on the first fret of the D string. Your ring finger goes on the second fret of the G string, and your pinky goes on the second fret of the high E string. You can leave this open. It just makes this sound a little richer. So it's a 5-string strum. Or if you can cover the low E and the A string with your middle finger and get it. That thing is. So there's that B7. Now another B7 would be right here. Nice easy one. Bar, 4 strings on the 4th fret, and take either your middle finger or your ring finger and put it on the 5th fret. Now if you wanted to do that with a bass note, the other form, it looks like this. So if you can get your bar down, actually you don't need the whole bar, what you need is the pad of your pointer finger, sorry, to hold down the A string on the 2nd fret. Everything else here is the same as I just explained to you. And then you have a 5-string strum. And if you can handle the low E string with one finger, you could add that. I wouldn't put it there, but you could use that. Okay, the other B7 looks kind of like the A7, but you slide it up to the 4th fret and lay your bar down. Okay? So once again, you start off with the A7 alternate fingering, slide it up to the 4th fret, and lay your bar down. 5-string strum, and you can do it 6-string. So to review, it's your bar, the 4th fret of the D string has your ring finger, the G string 2nd fret is covered by the bar, and your pinky is on the 4th fret of the B string, and the bar is giving you the 2nd fret on the high E. Okay, another B7 is this guy right here. So you come on up to the 7th fret, lay your bar down, put your middle finger on the 9th fret of the A string. Your middle finger goes on the 8th fret of the G string, and the bar is going to give you on the 7th fret these 2 top notes. The other B7 that's related to that looks like this. Okay, so it's essentially the same as this. Here's your pinky. Okay. Okay, here's another B7 related to our D7 in the alt fingering. Slide it up so that this pair of fingers is at the 11th fret. So the layout is your ring finger is on the 11th fret of the G string, your middle finger is on the 10th fret of the B string, your pinky is on the 11th fret of the E string, and your pointer is on the 9th fret of the D string, 4-string strum. Okay, this is another B7 that lays out up here. Start out with your ring finger on the 12th fret of the B string, put your middle finger on the 12th fret of the A string, put your pinky on the 13th fret of the D string, and put your pointer finger on the 11th fret of the G string. So this is about really all you need. That's a whole bunch of B7s. Hope this helps. Thanks.